New video. Ceiling fan. Sagging. Kind of sucks. Let's give it a spin because it's the spins after I freaking hung it up. Working ceiling fan. But since it's sagging, we're gonna destroy it and replace it. Bro, I'm actually cooked. I'm impressed that's not even falling down. Just tell me how is it not falling? 2-1. Oh, what the blade? The blade just broke. Oh, see? Down rod's still on here. Just hang it back up. Hold on. Working perfectly good. Yeah, look at these blades. LOL. Now let's get that stupid down rod out of the ceiling. Let's get that down rod out of the ceiling. I'll take that thing down. It's stuck on there because I taped it on there. Well, the blade, I think I broke the wiring because the wiring. There's more items. Oh, now it's swinging around again. Oh, the hook's about to fall out. I bet when I hit this throw, it's gonna fall out. Alright, before it falls down, let's put the stuff back on. Alright, bro, I bet it's destroyed. It barely even works now. It barely even spins now. 2-1. Whatever. Oh, what the flip? The down rod just stayed. Oh, and it fell. There's the stupid blade. How about let's finish off the blade because the blade normally doesn't. It's hard to see. Let's finish off this blade because this blade. I don't know what I'm using, but let's just smash it on the bed. There's a fidget spinner. I might just ripping it off. See, just rip it off. Nice. Now it's a little ceiling fan. Let's see what happens if we hang it on the ceiling. Suck. Look at all the blades on it. Three, two, one. Off. 3, 2, 1. Mom, just yank out of your ceiling. Oh, the tape's. You see the tape on the top is about to yank itself out. And the ceiling fan, the bladeless ceiling fan. Alright, it's about to fall out. Oh, there goes the blade. It's still swinging. Let's finish off this stupid down rod.